Mail call. Check this mail out, man. Look at that. You want to stay around and see what Papa opens, don't you? 3 channels right here. Yeah. Uncle Steve Shake. I'm going to go over here real quick and show you these 3 cooking channels. Yes, they are cooking channels. And then we're going to open the boxes up and see what Papa got. We got more mail in there. We're going to get to it. Hang on. Alright, the first channel we have is Jay's Be Rappin' Barbecue 84. Yeah, look at there. Uncle Steve Shake. Everybody does Uncle Steve Shake. Yeah, look at that. He's got a lot of cooks going on over there. Check that one out. Yeah, we got a lot of ribs, don't we? There's all his stuff. He does mail calls too. Yeah. That's pretty cool. JB Rappin'. He's out of La Punta, California. Yeah. So anyway, we'll be opening up his box here in just a minute. The second one we're going to open is from Little Art's Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. He's kind of new at it. Now, he hasn't made a video in a month. He's got a few videos in there. Let's go down here. Let's click on videos. There you go. There's his videos. He doesn't have a whole lot. He's got 165 subscribers. Really cool guy. It's Brian. They call him Little Art because his daddy's name's Art, and he ran around town. Everybody called him Little Art. I think he said Art, not. Never mind. Anyway, go check that out. Oh, check that out. Dutch oven baby back ribs with the sweet baby rays. Yeah. Alright. Alright. The third one we got is Rob over there to Sayon's A Family Garden. Oh, by the way, Little Art is out of Clearfield, Utah. Yeah. Anyway, this is a sapper gardener. I'm so sorry. It's a Sayon's Family Garden. The same guy. He lost his channel a year ago and had to start this one. But he's doing pretty good. Anyway, if you're wondering, why did he pick the name of Sayon? Okay, so he was in the military, and a Sayons means let us try. So it's Let Us Try Family Garden. So that's where it comes from. So his family, they're homesteading, doing some cooking. Oh, his wife's Filipino, and sometimes you'll see a cook from her that is really cool. I like Filipino food, especially if it's lumpia. Yeah, everybody likes lumpia, don't you? That's egg rolls. Goodness right there. I've got some videos on that. Anyway, so Rob's out of Fredericksburg, Virginia. I think he drives to New York to go to work. Don't hold me at that. You're going to see his homesteading. You're going to see them cooking. They got 2 boys. And he's got stuff going on in the homestead or cooking. Chicken tacos. He's got some Uncle Steve Shake in 2 Saturdays, or well, we'll see when that is. Going to be coming to him so his family can try some different kind of food. And let's move on and open up these boxes. Yeah. Real quick, if my camera keeps going in and out on focus, and you know how I can fix that? I don't know why it does that. It just does. Alright, this one's JB Rappin'. Check it out. Yeah, and he did what he's supposed to do. Send me 2 stickers. One for me and one for Maddie's board. Yeah. He sent me some. Check that label out. That's his label. Look at that. Jay's Secret. Jay's Special Fries Seasoning. This is awesome. This is a bottle that's real similar to the ones Uncle Steve Shake makes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I was invited to a cookout. It's going to be sponsored by Uncle Steve Shake in Midland, Texas. That's right. So we'll be going out there. We're going to take a bunch of goodness, Uncle Steve shake, of course, and some swag, and they're going to love it. Social distancing now. Yeah. We're going to do pork ribs and beef ribs on a Traeger. Never cooked on a Traeger pellet, but we're gonna in a few days, 2 days, 3 days, whatever it is. All right, so this is really cool. Jay's Special Fries Seasoning. I tell you what, I'm gonna give you a hint here real fast. You take fries seasoning, put it on your pork chops. I am not lying. Booger would try that on pork chops, and she'd say, Martha Stewart, or something like that, which means that's great. I don't know, y'all. Anyway, Jay, that's awesome. And Papa's going to do a cook for you on video with pork chops. How about that? Yeah. It's about a month away. Next, we have Little Arts Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. Check this box out. I've actually had this for a while. I'll be back after I open it. If y'all like to cook, I promise you, this video and the last 2 Wednesdays videos, if you like watching cooking videos and learning from them, check out this video and the last 2 Wednesdays. Barbecue Mail Call number 1, number 2. They're fantastic. What I recommend is to at least watch 2 videos that you pick, that you like on the cooking style, and see what you think about that person's style of cooking. And join their channel. You know, this is a community that we have, and it's awesome. One thing I like about Rob, you know, or Home in the Sticks, or CB's Greenhouse and stuff, I love learning about the garden. I try to always do a garden, but that's another story. But on the cooking side, I love learning things. Like Rob, Beer Champ Barbecue, you know, he just had one out with a queso. It's similar to my wife's and stuff like that, but it's a really good queso. And then you go, I'm going to make this queso. Awesome community we have. And that's why I do these mail calls. All right, let's open this up. Letters. Yes, I'm still hurting, by the way. Papa Texas, thank you so much for being my first subscriber. How about that with Brian over at Little Art? I was his first subscriber, and then he started making videos. You know, it's kind of like Harmon Heat. You know, Harmon Heat, you know, me and Billy over at Strong's Adventures, you know, we talked with Harmon Heat all the time and all this stuff. He was called something else, his name, and no big deal, you know, we talked to him, all this stuff, he sent us some presents and things like that. Oh, they were good. And out of the clear blue, he starts making video. Well, Billy Strong did the same thing. He was just a commenter, and he'd call me on my phone and talk to me for hours. And him and Rhonda started making videos. That's the way it goes. Some people get pulled into it, and it's so fun. Thank you for being my first subscriber. Take care, Brian, Little Art. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what he gave me. Oh, it feels like a t-shirt. Extra large. That's my size. Check it out. Yeah. That's very cool. I thank you, Brian. Need to make you another cooking video, buddy. Oh, there's more. For crooked sweet flavor, twisted. You see that? Crooked Pig cane and maple seasoning, 6 packets, 6 meals. Wicked sweet bourbon seasoning. Well, that's pretty cool. We'll try that out. There's something else here too. This one's called Twisted Q. Fire roasted Cajun. 6 packets, 6 meals. So I guess there are little packets inside there. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Awesome. Thank you, Brian. It'll be cooks coming up. Cooks coming up. Oh, when we go to Midland, we get to go to Super H-E-B. That's right. We're going to get some of that flying J sauce for them wings. Texas chips. They're in the shape of Texas. And there's about 3 other things I got to get from there. Yeah. Got a couple people I'll be sending stuff out to that don't live around here that will love it. This last one is from the Sapper Gardener, or Seance Family Garden. And Rob, you do have a package coming to you, just to let you know. But for some difficulty reasons, I won't get it out till after I get back from Midland. Okay. You know, George Bush is from Midland. He's got a little family home where he grew up and his daddy had. Oh, Rob, awesome. This is funny. This is his shirt. I'll open it up and show you in just a minute. But I'm going to tell you something. So, to get all these links right here, I put Rob's name in there, and the first thing that appeared was Dan over at Home and Sticks. I was saying, what happened to the Sapper Gardener? And you know what he was doing? He was talking about it. He was wearing this shirt. And I was like, that's cool, man. I'd like to have me a shirt like that. I got one now. Extra large, because Papa wears extra large. Yeah, I like to be comfortable. Oh, he's got me a card. We appreciate your service, by the way, Rob. Papa, Texas. I hope this t-shirt fits you well. Thank you for all you do supporting others in this online community. Blessings, Rob the Sapper Gardener, a Seance Family Garden. I appreciate that, Rob. Check that out. I love it. Love it. You know, I've met 150, 200 YouTubers so far. I've sent out over 600 of my channel stickers out, or gave them out when I'm at appearances or whatever you want to call it. And got 50 more coming in tomorrow. But I love our YouTube community. I learned from y'all, from Badge for repairs, Steve Robb repairs and DIYs and all this stuff, all the cookers, all the gardeners, the welders, foraging, just enjoying people. I really love it. I really appreciate it. You know what? I'll put this on my sticker board for next time. That's the only sticker I got right now. And we're going to call it a day. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to eat. Because Papa needs some fuel. Yeah. Y'all have a blessed rest of the week. Take care. Be safe. Stay 6 feet apart. Yeah, wear that mask. Let's get through this. All right? It's Papa. Papa. Texas. See you.